messages which are doing circulation throughout. आज सकाळच्यान एक false message regarding one Mr. Kamath having coronavirus म्हणून spread जावंक लागले आसा. This type of messages only create panic situations within the residents and the public. हांगा सगळ्यांकडे urge करता की पहिले म्हणल्यार do not fall prey to such type of messages which are doing rounds. These are especially at a time when the political scenario is there. People might try to do these things. I am formally lodging a police complaint in the cyber cell asking that the source of this message be investigated on priority. I have spoken to the health minister Mr. Vishwajit Rane to immediately act upon such type of things. कित्याक समज the government is seriously घेना जाल्यार then there are concerns because a lot of people have started spreading fake messages through these social media forums. I have urged the health minister to ensure that whatever needs to come very formally through the department and the government so that that particular source is proper and can be taken as confirmed. In this case, the case of coronavirus which has created sudden panic upon my people who have been calling me, sending messages and asking whether this story is true, I would like to highlight and tell them that there is no Mr. Kamath staying in that particular area. Forget the coronavirus. ताजे खातीर लोकांनी परवडच्या लोकांनी खंयच भिवपाची गरज ना की कोरोना व्हायरस आयला आनी कितें आसा. दिस इज समबडी हू इज प्लेड अ गिमिक. आय एम प्रिटी शुअर आफ्टर लॉजिंग अ कंप्लेन द गव्हर्मेंट विल इमिजिएटली एक्ट if they are serious on this issue and take cognizance and act on the people who have started this source of spreading messages. I would also take this part to at least request all my people of Goa and especially my people of residents of Porvorim not to fall prey to such type of rumors through social media and especially जे तुमकां forward येता ते कळल्या बगर forward लोकांकडे करनाकात. कित्याक एकदा मेसेज एकामेकाक तुम्ही जी तयार करून धाडटा ग्रुपांनी तातूंत आनीक पॅनीक सिट्युएशन तुमीच तयार करतात. ताज्या खातीर तुमच्याकडे एक मागणी आसा की कसल्यो मेसेजीस आयिल्ल्यार यू मे नॉट प्लीज डू नॉट बिलीव देम टील द टायम द सोर्स फ्रॉम द गव्हर्मेंट कन्फर्म्स दॅट देर इज अ इश्यू ऑफ कोरोना व्हायरस. आज पर्यंत गोंया कांयच केस जाल्ली ना आनी आय हॅव अर्ज द हेल्थ मिनिस्टर टू क्रिएट दीस अवेरनेस व्हेरी मच रिक्वायर्ड टू द पब्लीक, especially during this time when we are having political scenario and ZP elections which may create misunderstandings and make a panic situation within the public. See, I wouldn't want to relate a health issue with the political part, but I think the BJP government is losing its part as far as ZP elections are concerned. Throughout Goa, the whole situation is going against BJP, which can be seen throughout in every constituency. वारे very strongly BJP च्या against दिसता आणि ताज्या खातीर तांचे कोणे केला. I am not putting a charge or allegation, but lot of people, especially my people were asking me ताणी कितें करतात काय म्हणून. As far as Porvorim is concerned, both our candidates are doing well with the blessings of our people. The team which we have been working, I am sure all of them will stand with us for these elections. सो हे करता आसतना कोण नाल्यार कोण हे मिसचीफ करतलो हे साहजीक आसात, पूण तो सोर्स सोदून काडप आनी ताजेर एक्शन घेवप इम्पॉर्टंट आसा. कित्याक असल्या सोर्सांनीच सगळें मिसअंडरस्टँडींग तयार जाता आनी ते मागीर खंयच्या खंय पावता. पयलें म्हणल्यार हें फॉल्स न्यूज, तर सुदीप कामत काय सुदेश कामत तो मनीसूच ना थंय आनी कोरोना व्हायरस येवपाचो प्रश्नूच येना आनी गव्हर्मेंटूय काय थंय उलयत ना. सो ताजे खातीर हे मेसेजीस फॉरवर्ड करपाचे पयलें बंद करात. ही म्हजी कळकळीची मागणी आसा आमच्या लोकां कडेन टू एन्श्युअर दॅट देर इज the people can live peacefully. As far as precautions on coronavirus are there, people have already started taking, and falling to rumor mill will only create further panic. We need to look at it seriously. We have neighboring states like Karnataka, Maharashtra, which is showing high effect of the virus being spread. Then preventive measures आमी already delay झाल्या. ताज्या खातीर we need to ensure that the borders are sealed. But the essential commodities आसा, we need ways and means to ensure that the essential commodities come to us. गोंया आमी काय प्रोड्यूस करना, सगळे we are depending on the neighboring states for us to come in. So we need to have a serious affair of the stakeholders to ensure that things which are as essential commodities reach us. At the same time, tourism जे आसा or tourists जे आसा, we may have an effect on the overall thing, but it is worthwhile because health is first. आणि बारीक गोष्टी खातीर समज खंय स्प्रेड जालो जाल्यार मागीर ताका गोंय धाकटें आनी वी स्टे इन अ व्हेरी स्मॉल कम्युनिटीज. द स्प्रेड ऑल्सो वील बी व्हेरी फास्ट. ताज्या खातीर सीलिंग द बॉर्डर्स इज वन गुड ऑप्शन ऑफ एज फार एज टुरिजम इज कन्सर्न. But essential commodities, we need to find out ways and means to ensure that they are coming from the neighboring states which we depend upon.